out I married a man. That isn't what I meant to do. I see women when I'm dreaming, women when I'm waking too. And if I had to start again, I'm not sure he's what I'd choose. But we don't get to start again, and I wouldn't want to. What they say about girls like me is that we can't commit, that we'll bark up any old tree just for the hell of it. Well, I'm not looking to bark, but yes, I miss a woman's touch. No lover is everything, even one who is enough. He is a river, he is cool and deep. There are birds on the banks of the Mississippi. On my wedding day I wore a dress. These days I wear a suit. Pretty sure I'll never wear a dress again. Pretty sure I never wanted to. There were so many years I was pushing up against the dam, calling out to everybody, can't you see who I really am? He is a river, he is cool and deep. But there are birds on the banks of the Mississippi. The other day my old pal Kate said, lately you are very gay. Made me happy when she said that, 'cause inside I really feel that way. 'Cause sometimes my hand in his seems to block up everyone's eyes. They only see the river, not the big white sky. He will always be. There are birds on the bank.